In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the sideline on MindNode. If you've ever wanted a cleaner looking mind map without those side connector lines cluttering the view, but you still want your ideas to stay logically connected, this quick adjustment is exactly what you need. We're going to make the line effectively disappear while keeping the relationship intact so your map remains functional and easy to read. Start by selecting the node you want to edit. Click or tap once to highlight it and make sure you see the selection indicator so you know you're working on the correct item. This ensures the style changes you're about to make apply only to that node, not to the entire document. Next, open the inspector, also called the Style panel. Look for the paintbrush icon in the toolbar. This is where MindNode keeps all the appearance controls for nodes and their connections. If the inspector isn't visible at first, tapping that paintbrush will slide it open on the side so you can access the styling options. Inside the inspector, navigate to the section labeled Connections. This area controls how lines look between your selected node and the rest of your map. You'll see options for line style and thickness, and sometimes additional settings depending on your theme. Now change the line style. If your line style is set to curved, open that menu and switch it to none. Choosing none tells MindNode not to draw a visible connector line for this node. If the none option isn't available in your current context or theme, simply reduce the line thickness to the smallest possible value using the thickness control. Setting it to the thinnest option effectively makes the sideline invisible. That's it. With either of those adjustments, the sideline will no longer appear, but the node remains connected in the structure of your mind map. It will still move with its parent, keep its place in the hierarchy, and be included properly when you export or reorganize your ideas. You've just removed visual noise without breaking the logic of your map. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same connection settings and switch the style back to curved or increase the thickness to bring the line back. And if your document theme influences how lines look, these node level changes typically override the theme for that specific node, giving you precise control. Repeat the same edit on any other node where you want a cleaner appearance. With just these adjustments, your map stays connected, tidy, and easy to scan.